Okay, let's then come over and look at the NDX. This is the NQ. So again, this 1, 2, 1, 2, and this 3 of this 3, and we came up here, and then this deep 4 down, which hit a 50% retrace of this move up at its low and has bounced again. But we do need to see the NQ start to get up off its backside here and push forward. And I really don't want to see that low taken out from yesterday, else that's my first kind of concern level if in the markets, if we do see that taken out at any point today. Coming down and looking at it on an hourly chart, excuse me, let's just run these out the way. You can see that the high last week was a hit on the local subwave 1764. So everything was picture perfect to here until we got this secondary C wave into this 50% retrace. And there's that 618 bottom up fib that we held, and we held above the 1 here. So as I said last night, nothing broken, but I do want to see this get a move on to the upside now, and prove that that is a 4. And just watching this more than I normally watch the NQ intraday, to be honest, for any early signs that we may be in trouble. And then the Dow Jones, quite the opposite. You know, the Dow does need to catch up a bit, but I've got this 1, 2, 1, 2, the low on Tuesday having hit the 618 to perfection, and we're starting to push on up. I want to see the high taken out here at 26,185 and just continue to accelerate up to 26,794 next in the Dow Jones.